Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. VanBuskirk. I go by Mrs. Van B. I teach English 10, CP English 10, and Honors English 10. I am also the class advisor for the class of 2023, so I'm really looking forward to having you all this year in English. You can reach me at vanbuskirkc@muschools.com or by calling the school and dialing my extension number 4113. Some classroom materials you need to be successful are a binder or notebook, your springboard book, which you will get during the first week of school, an independent reading book, which we'll talk more about, your device charge, some writing utensils, and maybe some Post-it notes. Some things I expect of you is that you come to class prepared, we begin and end class on time, and that you care for yourself, others, and all things around you. A bit of an assignment overview. We will still be doing NIMBY in the 10th grade. It will still be due every Sunday at 11:59 p.m. We will also utilize Springboard, like I mentioned. We will also be utilizing some of their online resources this year. Teams will be our primary source of accessing digital content. So each day I will post the class agenda, which is what you will want to access if you are ever absent. And homework is really if you don't complete assignments during class, you'll usually have to finish it for homework. And then, of course, making sure you're keeping up with your memory. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon.